Adab everyone, welcome to the 8th lesson of our Urdu language learning series. We already know that Hindi, Persian and Arabic have contributed significantly in the development of Urdu. Yet there is another language from which Urdu has borrowed a few loanwords, and that language is Portuguese. Some of those loanwords are for tea, key, arm, the number 10, bucket, and pineapple. In the previous lesson, we had learnt about these letters, and in this lesson, we will learn about these 4 letters. So let's get started. The 30th letter of Urdu is Laam. It sounds just like L. Then comes Meem. It sounds just like M. Then comes Noon. It has an N sound. The 33rd letter is Vav. It can have up to 4 different sounds: Va, O, U, and O. Out of Lam, Meem, Noon, and Vav, Lam, Meem, Noon are connectors, and Vav is a non-connector. These are their initial, median, and final position forms. Noon can have 2 different forms, and Vav can be of 3 different forms. Let's learn about them. The first form of Noon is Noon Zahir. In this case, Noon has its intrinsic Na sound. For example, Re, Noon, Jeem, Sheen, Ranjish, Illwill or hostility. Alif, Meem, Alif, Noon, Te, Amanat, something committed to another person's care. The second form of Noon is Nu Gunna. In this case, the sound of Noon becomes nasalized. For example, Meem, Alif, No Gunna, Ma, mother. Meem, Ze, Gaf, Alif, No Gunna, Mizga, eyelashes. The main visual difference is that the dot present in Noon is absent in No Gunna. The sound of No Gunna can also be present within a word. For example, Re, No Gunna, Gaf, Rang, color. Jeem, Alif, No Gunna, Che, Jaanch, inspection. Don't worry, just like with every other language, you will be able to understand this difference with practice. Let's have a look at the different types of Vav. The first type is Vav Maroof. In this case, the sound of Vav gets stretched and it has an Oo sound. For example, Noon Pesh, Vav, Re, Noor, light or lustre. Fe Pesh, Zwad Pesh, Vav, Lam, Fuzul, useless. The second type is Vav Majhul. Here the sound of Vav does not get stretched and Vav has an O sound. For example, Ze, Vav, Re, Zor, force. Re Pesh, Vav, Ghain, Noon, Rohan, oil. The third type is Vav Madula. Here Vav is written but remains silent. Such words are of Persian origin and Vav is usually preceded by Khe. For example, Khe, Vav, Sheen, Khush, happy. Khe, Vav, Alif, Be, Khab, not khwab, dream. Alif mad, meem dal, आमद, arrival. रे वाव बड़ी है, रूह, soul. वाव तो नून, वतन, native country. Wow will have a wa sound if that word starts with wow. Laam, ghain, te, lughat, dictionary. Seen, zer, te, meem, sitam, tyranny. Laam, badi kaaf, be, laqab, title. Laam pesh, to, fe, lutf, pleasure. बड़ी काफ लाम लाम ते किल्लत shortage. लाम बे अलिफ सीन लिबास attire. तो लाम सीन मीम तिलिस्म magic. बे लाम नून दाल बुलंद high और raised. मीम जे अलिफ जीम मिजाज temper. वाव बड़ी काफ अलिफ रे वकार dignity. मीम तो लाम बे मतलब aim और meaning. मीम and अलिफ शीन माअश economy. नून शीन अलिफ नून निशान mark और sign. ते मीम नून नून अलिफ तमन्ना desire. बड़ी काफ अलिफ नून वाव नून कानून law. शीन नून अलिफ सीन अलिफ शनासा acquaintance. In the next lesson, we will learn about these letters. Thanks for watching. See you in the next episode. Till then, Khuda Hafiz.